Hi all. Quickly now we will see the ICs for different basic gates. Okay, so first gate is NOT gate. The symbol of NOT gate is like this. This may be asked in an online question. What is the symbol of NOT gate? Okay, so triangle and one bubble in front of that triangle. A is the input, Y is the output. So Y will be equal to A bar. This is the Boolean expression for NOT gate. Okay, and so if 0 is input, output will be 1. If 1 is input, output will be 0 because it is inverter. It will invert the signal. And the IC for NOT gate is 7404. So this may be asked in your exam. So what is the IC number for NOT gate? Okay, so this is a 14 pin IC. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is ground pin. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 is a VCC pin. 7 number pin ground and 14 number pin VCC. Pin numbers also may be asked in your exams. Okay, so IC number will be also asked in your exam. 7404. Again see here, pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is output, 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output, 9 input, 8 output, 11 input, 10 output, 13 input, 12 आउटपुट. यहाँ पे 1 इनपुट 2 आउटपुट है, लेकिन ऊपर जाने के बाद 8 इनपुट 9 आउटपुट नहीं है. ओके, 9 इनपुट 8 आउटपुट है, उल्टा जाना है ऊपर जाने के बाद. ओके, और इसमें कितने गेट्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. एक ऐसी में कितने गेट आए हैं? 6 नॉट गेट आते हैं. मतलब हमें अगर 6 नॉट गेट चाहिए इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए, अगर हमारे इक्वेशन में 6 नॉट गेट की ज़रूरत है तो एक आईसी से काम चल सकता है. दिस इज़ 14 पिन आईसी वेर इन वी आर हैविंग 6 नॉट गेट्स. ओके, then AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is like this: A, B input and Y is the output. Okay, equation for AND gate is Y is equal to A into B. Okay, this is truth table. A into B. Yes, this is used for logical multiplication. And this is the IC for NOT gate 7408. Okay, pin number, this is, since it has 2 inputs and 1 output, again this is 14 pin IC, so depending upon that we are having only 4 gates. Okay, since here we are having only 1 input and 1 output, we are having 6 gates. So this may be your online question. In NOT gate IC we are using how many gates? We are having 6 gates. But in AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, we are having 4 gates only because it has 2 inputs and 1 output. Okay, so pin number 1 2 input, 3 output, 4 5 input, 6 output, 7 pin is ground and 14 pin is VCC for all the ICs. Here 9 8 and यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुआ है. 8 9 शुड बी 9 10 शुड बी इनपुट एंड 8 शुड बी आउटपुट, 12 13 शुड बी इनपुट एंड 11 शुड बी आउटपुट एंड 14 इज VCC. सो दिस IC number you remember, this is 7408 AND gate IC. Okay, then OR gate IC. OR gate, the symbol for OR gate is like this: logical expression Y is equal to A plus B. This is used for logical addition. ये 2 बिट जो आते हैं उसका एडिशन करके देता है यहाँ पे. Since there are 2 inputs, 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, IC required for OR gate is 7432. IC number is important, 7432. It has 2 inputs, 1 output. Okay, 1 2 input, 3 output, like AND gate only. It has 2 inputs, 1 output, so there are total 4 OR gates in a single IC. Pin number 7 VCC again, pin number 14 is ground. Then we'll see universal gate IC. Universal gate symbol is like this. NOR gate. NOR means not or. और के सामने not लगा दिया. NOR is nothing but not or. और के सामने not gate लगा दिया. A and B, these are the input. This is OR gate and this is a NOT gate. So combine करने के बाद symbol ऐसे होता है. Okay, logical symbol. And output expression is, since it is not or का आता है A plus B and not है इसलिए इसका inversion. Okay, so input A B और इसके according output expression के according we can calculate the truth table. What is the IC for NOR gate? IC for NOR gate is 7402. Okay, IC for NOR gate is 7402. Again it has 2 inputs, 1 output. Okay, see here, inputs check here. Pin number 2 3 is input and 1 is output here. 5 6 input, 4 is output here. Pin number 7 is ground. Pin number आपको पूछेंगे नहीं which one is input and which one is output. They may be asked only how many gates are there in 7402. So there are 4 gates. and only in NOT gate there are 6 gates. Okay, and they may ask you what is the pin number 14. Pin number 14 is VCC. What is the pin number 7? Pin number 7 is ground. Then NAND gate. Next gate is NAND gate. Symbol, see the symbol here. This is AND gate and one bubble. Bubble is nothing but NOT gate. So this can be represented like this also, AND and NOT. We can replace this NOT gate by bubble also. Okay. So its a logical expression is y is equal to a dot b bar. Okay. And according to this logical expression, we can calculate the output. This is a NOT gate IC 7400. Oh, sorry, NAND gate. This is NAND gate IC 7400. 1 2 input, 3 output, 4 5 input, 6 output. Okay, again 7 ground, 14 VCC. Now XOR gate IC. See the symbol of XOR gate. A and B, these are the inputs. Symbols of XOR gate is like this. Okay. Output expression is equal to y is equal to a plus b or a bar b plus a b bar. Okay, this is symbolically, and equation is a bar b plus a b bar. According to this equation, we can calculate the output. Okay, and this is a truth table, and this is a IC of XOR gate 7486. 7486 is the IC of XOR gate. XNOR gate, see the symbol. Okay, there is a mistake in symbol. XNOR gate means there should be a bubble in front of symbol. A B input and Y is the output. And equation is or XOR gate का equation था A plus B. This is not plain plus. A plus B is the equation of OR gate. A circled plus B is equation of XOR gate, and A circled B का बार मतलब दिस इज XNOR गेट. ओके, और इसका एक्सप्रेशन होगा, ये भी है A बार B बार प्लस A B. बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन, ये दोनों बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन है, ये सिंबॉलिकली और ये इक्वेशन है. इस इक्वेशन से हम आउटपुट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. A बार B मतलब A का बार लेना है, B एज इट इज़ लेना है, प्लस A B मतलब एज इट इज़. ओके, सो एक कंडीशन हम चेक करते हैं. A बार B बार मतलब अगर इफ 0 0 इज इनपुट, A बार विल बी 1, B बार विल बी 1, 1 into 1 प्लस A and B 0 0. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0 0, so output will be 1. This condition is satisfied. When A is 0 and B is 1, A is 0 means A bar is 1, B is 1 means B bar is 0, plus A is 0 and B is 1, so 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0, so output is 0. So in this way we can find the truth table. IC for XNOR gate is 74266. IC for XNOR gate is 74226. Okay, so all these ICs are very important. Remember all ICs, Boolean expressions, symbols. Okay, VCC pin and ground pin.